it is, what's today? Tuesday,
August 13th.
August 13th. And
They started.
here's the progress on our house. So I'm gonna go now because I just hung up from video.
Even though they said it wasn't gonna start till August 22nd.
No, that's when they gonna start laying wood and stuff.
Well, I count this as starting. They started breaking ground.
All right, boy, bye.
And staking it.
Sticking it.
Alright, so they have officially begun construction and, laying gravel. I'm guessing this is going to be the driveway.
Sure, you're not supposed to be up here anyway. Okay, so today is August 22nd, aka the day that they are supposed to start on the house. And obviously this looks different from last time, but they have staked it out. That's true. I don't know if I would call this like starting construction, like from my point of view as a person who doesn't do construction, but they are moving right along. And honestly, I'm not gonna worry and stress myself over this house. It'll be built when it'll be built. But this is what we have going on. So I guess this is how big the house will be. Yeah, they have staked it. I think this is staking it. But I'm just saying, this is not my idea of starting construction. So I'm gonna need our builder, whose name is Danny, I think, to get it together. Okay, bye. All right, you guys, so it is Saturday, August the 24th, and it is 2 days after they were supposed to start construction on our house. So we went Thursday, which was the 22nd, and we were thoroughly unimpressed. So we're gonna go again today and see what they have going on. We're also gonna check out Best Buy's Labor Day sale. They claim that it's gonna be like a whole situation. I'm not sure that it is going to be, but we're gonna go anyway. We are also going to go to some furniture stores, and I'm tired of vlogging. I've been holding this camera for 40 seconds and I'm already over it because my arm hurts, but I'll make my husband vlog, so it's no big deal. So that is what we're going to be going and doing today. I have my bag with me, my new bag, shout out to hubby, and I have my 3rd bottle of water, so that's cool. Maybe I need to back up some. Well, I think that's cool. All right, off we go. So we do have our new bag in tow. Can you show the people? Can you hold it up? Get a little footage for the peoples. Yes, you gotta. Yes, this is my birthday gift from this guy. Thanks so much. All right, now let's start our adventure.
So we're at our new house.
Our new lot.
And our new lot. Oh, well, yeah, it's not a house yet. What? Oh, they got a porta potty, so that means they working.
Oh, snap.
I mean, they've been out here doing
Oh gosh, they've done something.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, let's get out and see.
They didn't put the ropes
Don't
up.
put me in the camera though, because I don't look appropriate.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so here we are. Here's the porta potty. That means they've been out here working.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Maybe they put this at the.
Don't show me, but look over there.
Where?
The little. That's new. Over there. That's
What?
new. Oh, this is how you zoom in. If you're gonna vlog, need to know how. You just twist that to the left, right here. Just like that. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Maybe they put the ropes up so we wouldn't be walking over there. So they came by and saw our footprints. And it's like,
no, that's what you call staking out the house, so they can know the dimensions.
Ah.
Trust me on this.
Okay, we got a little something here. So this is the side of the house. And got a brick. Make sure these angles are 90 degrees. Yeah, look about 90. Make sure the house is all even and all that. Gotta make sure the foundation is sturdy and even. Ooh, that's mud. I ain't walking up through there. It just rained yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. The house next to us is being built. So yeah, they've been out here doing a little something. A little wiggity work. So that's our house. That's the progress. They started 2 days ago. We came out here 2 days ago, and all this wasn't out here. 2 days ago, the dirt was just flattened, like that dirt hill. There was another one, and they flattened it out. And today, 2 days later, they have stakes in the ground.
Let's go talk to our realtor.
Oh yeah, I guess, yeah.
That'll be a good thing to do today, because he told us to come and we've yet to do it because ain't nothing to talk about. He said, come on by and come talk to me about the house and answer questions. Well, ain't no house, so what I got to ask?
What are we talking about?
Y'all, don't mind the seatbelt thing.
Literally, we're just going down the street.
Literally, I'm going 2 miles per hour with a place
You're
where
going
there's
10.
Okay, 8, 7, 6. There's no... I mean, we could get in a wreck over here, but...
There's no traffic.
There's literally no houses or anything. No cars. She told me that Comcast Xfinity does not service this area.
See, my voice is very unique. Once you hear the voice, you won't forget it.
Yeah.
People, just be real. Either going to accept it or not. That's it. You can't make somebody do something. There's no need to be going through all that. No, that's not a secret. Got a lady one time. She said that she told me, this guy used to be on the so my work partner in the office said,
Do you think this is the same size as the one that I'm gonna have?
I can't say. I think it might be a little small. Your flex room is a 11 by 13.
What size do you think this is?
Go get my, hold on, get me ready to take.
So we are gonna go into this other house that is similar to ours to try to get the measurements for the refrigerator, which is doing the most, but it's doing a whole lot, but it's important. Oh, this is my study. This is my
So I like the size of that?
It's alright. Yeah, it's gonna have to work. Okay, so we got the dimensions of the refrigerator little cubby thing, which of course was Definitely hashtag doing the most. So now we're gonna see what kind of Labor Day sale Best Buy actually has. Hard pressed to call that like a major sale. I think that cooktop price $3.99 and up. Say $4.50. That's not on sale. Well, yeah, it is it? I guess that's on sale. I can't remember which one we liked. I think I like this one. So there is a $100 difference in the sales price on both of these. I actually like this one better, but this one, yeah, I think this is the fancier one. And you do save more with this one, but I mean, I feel like that's a good deal, but I mean, to save $5.75, but $18.99 is obviously a lot in and of itself, but this is the one that I really like.
No questions asked.
None at all. So I see why this is so comfortable. Reversible, not that that matters. Ultra plush cushions. This is so comfortable, like, y'all. And this is in silver. And that's honestly catching my eye, that white set. That would actually be kind of cute in the guest room and our master bedroom too, but I was going for like a dark gray because our walls are going to be kind of like that color back there. A gray color, like a light gray. So we can do, really any kind of gray for furniture, but I think light gray would be doing, it would be a good look. So maybe like white furniture or dark gray furniture would be cute. And if you haven't figured it out, I'm out by myself because my husband is too sick because he's drunk. So I'm out looking by myself, and look at this. So comfortable. Like, this is low-key, I want this, you guys, like, seriously. Yeah. I don't know. Let's keep looking. Destiny's Child is playing in the background. Let's appreciate that. But I do like this. The issue is, it's really expensive. Just for the bed is $12.99. If we got a king, well, this is the storage part of it. So I guess we could not get the storage part of it, which would be cool. So I might be willing to pay for that, but the dresser's expensive, the mirror, the chest, that's like a $4,000. Nah, I ain't gonna be able to do that. No. They want $4.50 for those. That's crazy. So that's a no. Whoever this is, bye. They're fancy. I love that. Now this I love. It's coming off as like a taupe, almost a brown, but in real life it's like a gray. And it's velvet, and it's $10.99, which is kind of expensive, but I'd be willing to pay for it because of all of that it has going on. But it's doing a little bit too much. I would just like the headboard to be blinged out, not all of it. And I love this table. I love a glass table, and it's really sturdy, so that is a win. In these chairs, I'm sitting in one, a white one. These chairs they kind of match, so that's a good look. So I do like those, and this is a good price. This table's only $300, and the chairs are only $100. Not only, but you get what I'm saying. So I really love this chair, this type of chair as well, but $250 for one of them, so I think I'm too fancy. So I should probably stick to the $100 chairs. I'm clearly too fancy for my own good. Now these headboards are nice. This is nice too. I like that one without the shine. So I would be down for this one if it didn't have the shine. Like if it were just gray, like this almost. Oh, that's the vanity. That's cute. And matches. So this is definitely the sectional that I love. It kind of sits low, but it's not that big of a deal. But it's not coming off as silver, which is what it is. It's coming off as like a brown, but I do love it.
So we're here at our house trying to get a little update, and look what we've got. We've got pipes. We've got pipage, you know, little plumage, little plumbing. I guess that's bathroom, kitchen. I guess that big one is probably going upstairs and to the upper room. I guess the upper room. Use the bathroom in the upper room. Yeah, it looks like they've been tearing it up with these tractors and oh, I guess that's the edge of the house right there. Pretty sure that's gonna be a border wall or something. And a little something poking out right there. We got some plumage. That was probably going to the bathroom or something like that. Ooh, we got a moat. We got a moat going around the house. Let's see. Yeah, that's the back. Yep. So this board is definitely a wall. And I know because that right there, this square back here, I guess that's gonna be the back porch or the back little patio. We're gonna have a covered patio in the back. So, yeah, man, cool stuff, cool stuff. Be out here kicking it on my patio. I guess I'll just be looking at the trees and stuff, looking at nature, thinking, I've come a mighty long way. Won't he do it? Here's the left wall, the right wall. Last time we came out here, we saw the strings. The strings were they were to mark off the wall. I'm gonna go back this other way because my leg hurts and that's a steep hill. So yeah, cool stuff, man. House is getting on up. Today is August 29th. And it's coming along. I guess that's like the little front porch piece of it. You see, I guess this wall ends. And I guess the wall is going to connect to that. And then that square over there is where the front porch or the front patio, whatever you want to call it, is going to be. Yep, the major update this time, we got pipes for plumbing.